So hi, everybody. My name is David Nichols from Qore Technologies, and my colleague, Andre.
Hello, everyone. So I am Andrei Mititelu. I'm a VP of Technology Strategist at Counsel Group Frankfurt. We are a Qore Technologies Platinum Services partner, and we have like deep expertise in the data engineering and systems integration, and more recently AI and machine learning. Yeah, please,
Great.
David.
Yeah, thanks, Andre. So what we'd like to show you today is how we are tackling the challenges of employing or deploying AI, data science, machine learning technologies in real enterprise environments to drive business scalability and to lower costs. Let me go on to the next slide. All right, so there are a lot of challenges, basically, in the fact that a lot of the AI machine learning solutions are based on the wide variety of freely available and very powerful open source modules written in Python, which is not really an enterprise technology. And then getting those solutions basically connected to enterprise data, to establish modern software engineering practices with continuous integration and continuous delivery, to deploy them in a data pipeline supporting data streaming, with also your AI solutions as components of that, and of course the challenge generally in getting in contact with or connected to enterprise technologies, which are dominated by Java. Then you have maybe scalability challenges, microservices, edge deployments, and then process automation orchestration. So if you want to drive your business processes based on insights that are derived from your AI or data science platforms, then you need to be able to do that as well. And that is a separate challenge in itself. And this is exactly where Qore Technologies is presenting Qore's integration engine, which is our product, which is basically designed to enable you to very tightly integrate your AI, machine learning, data science, machine vision, deep learning, solutions natively with enterprise technologies, and to establish the software engineering and the interface governance to allow you to deploy to the edge, to deploy in containers, and then to, of course, manage and to operate the solution. So it'll help you to establish your CI/CD pipeline, as well as, of course, the data pipeline. And there's a lot of very interesting technology behind this, but I don't want to bore people to death. Both Andre and I are very technical, so we're very happy to take your questions, which we will do later. And now I will pass it over to Andre to talk about an example of something that CGF has done with our platform.
Yeah, thank you, David. Can we please share my screen?
Oh yeah, I'll stop sharing mine.
Okay, yeah. So for this, we actually have like actually working solution for a telco customer. Basically, we are trying to automate the backend. Basically, to do backend automation for service technicians. Basically, we are talking about service activation. Just to give you an example, like software defined wide area networks, I don't know, VPNs and so on. And basically, what we did with Qore's integration engine is we integrated the natural language processing solution. And in the backend, we use Qore's integration engine to integrate with multiple systems. For example, ServiceNow, Salesforce, and even specific telco solutions like I don't know, Nokia Flow One, and so on. So I have prepared a couple of examples for you. This is like a dumbed down demo because due to the confidential nature of the information, we cannot show you actual information, but I just want to show you and explain how this actually works. So we have this intelligent chatbot in the portal. What you are seeing here is like an operational dashboard. I'm going to start a new conversation and just show you a couple of examples on how we interact with backend systems and how we recognize intent, basically on what the service technician wants to do. So let's say for the first example that we want to set up a new VPN. Okay, the chatbot will recognize my intent and will trigger a dialog flow. So these dialog flows can be actually designed, and at each step we can actually integrate with the Chorus integration engine, which actually does the backend orchestration. So it has identified that, okay, I want to set up a new VPN, and it will ask me, okay, please specify a reserved name for the first endpoint. I'm just going to input something very generic. Okay, endpoints B. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm typing all wrong. But these are specific questions that actually are required by the systems in the backend to actually call those web services. So the next question would be, okay, let's select the bandwidth. Okay, this is something also specific. Let's put like this. And what will happen next is that the chatbot has gathered all the information. It will now send a request to Chorus integration engine, basically, and it will actually call the service provisioning system in the backend, and it will open an order. Let's say that for the next scenario, we want to track what has happened with the order. Usually, this happens almost instantly, but let's say that there was a problem, we want to track it. So let's say like this. Given the fact that I am already, I have a live session, the chatbot and the Chorus integration engine actually detect that, okay, they have like a history of all the orders I have opened, and it provides me a list, but anyway, I can input other information as well, so other order IDs. Let's select this one. And okay, let's see, this is in status completed. One thing I would like to mention here is that this is like, it doesn't have all the information, because this is basically we don't want to show all the business sensitive information. So this is like a dumbed down demo. Okay, let me just show you another example. We want to, let's say, open an incident in ServiceNow. So I have a problem, let's say. Okay. Okay, let's actually, I have to run a script. Sorry for that. Let's say I have a problem with my service activation. Okay, it will ask me about the impact services. So let's say office bandwidth. Let's Bucharest office bandwidth. Okay. Let's say that the urgency of this request is high. And what will happen next is the chatbot will actually call Chorus integration engine, and it will actually open an incident in ServiceNow. We can actually go and look it up. Okay. Let's see it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay. Let's say that we want to change the state. Just quickly, just to show you that we can actually retrieve the information in the portal. So, okay, let's update it. Okay. And let's say that next we want to track the incident. So let's say track incident. Okay, again, it has my session. It will provide me a list of incidents that I have opened. I will select this one. And okay, it will tell me that it's in progress. This is the expected behavior. Another use case that we are actually using it for is basically searching for content inside the portal. So let's say I want to search for a document. Okay. Let's say CGF. And again, it will actually retrieve a list of documents that it has looked in the content management part of the portal. So let's click this link, and okay, it will take us to that document. Yeah, so these are just some scenarios. We actually have quite a lot more scenarios, like opening orders in Salesforce, I don't know, interacting with different ERP systems like NetSuite and so on. This was just to show you the capabilities that we currently have. And yeah, if you would like, maybe we can also schedule like a demo to show you other functionalities. But basically, this is it. We can integrate with any enterprise system. We can integrate with machine learning workloads. We can build data pipelines. We can do data streaming and so on with just one solution. Yeah.
So thanks, Andre. That's about basically our presentation, Tom. I mean, we're happy if there are any questions to answer them. If there are. Are we getting any questions to answer? Okay, yeah, basically, okay, I see your question, Greg, about why would we use our solution for the chatbot instead of one that's built into ServiceNow and Salesforce? Well, basically, ServiceNow and Salesforce, their solution is going to be based on providing information solely in their platform. So, in fact, Chorus is not just a chatbot. The solution that CGF has done is to implement integration with multiple systems, not just one, across an enterprise, and to enable a new channel for customer service to be done completely automatically. All right, so the Chorus is a generic solution. You're only seeing one implementation of a chatbot using Chorus's integration capabilities, and Chorus is not basically a chatbot. So it's an enterprise solution for hosting AI and IT integration solutions. I hope that answers your question.
Great. Next question, Martin Treder. Where does an existing chatbot end and the core solution start? What's the handover logic?
Okay, Andre, do you want to answer, or do you want me to answer?
Yeah, so basically these are separate components of the solution. So we are using Core integration engine basically to do the orchestration between systems. Basically, we carry data from system to system, and we expose these workflows or these orchestrations as APIs. And the other part of the solution, the intelligent chatbot, actually calls the Chorus integration engine APIs.
Okay.
So it's one example of an AI and enterprise integration possibility, but in fact, like we have partners in implementing AI analytical pipelines in our systems, because what we've seen is a lot of new AI startups. They have a great solution. They're really masters of data science, but when they start getting into actual projects, one of the issues they're running into is getting access to the data they need, right? And integrating, there was a question there a couple of presentations ago, like how do you integrate with your data? This is a typical challenge that AI and machine learning data science startups are hitting. It's like they find out that the effort to get access to data they need to generate their predictions, for example, or run their analytics on is high, because every environment is unique and every environment has unique challenges. And that's where Chorus comes in, because not only have we already got a great framework for providing access to generic data sources, but also we have a data pipeline, and also we can host the AI solution directly in our system as a microservice.
Okay. Good. Thanks, guys. We're on time. David, Andre, thank you all very much. Very interesting.
Thanks.
Also.
Thank you.
Really good. Good luck in the votes in the afternoon. We are taking you off the stage now, and we are now